In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore Google Chrome web browser. Tutorial. If Chrome has started crashing, freezing, or just feels sluggish, restoring it to its default settings is a quick way to clear out many common issues without losing your important data. Think of this as giving Chrome a fresh start while keeping your bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords intact. First, open Chrome and look to the top right corner of the window. Click the three stacked dots to open the menu, then choose Settings. This takes you to Chrome's main control panel, where you can manage everything from appearance to privacy. If you prefer, you can also reach this page by typing Chrome settings into the address bar and pressing Enter, but the menu route is the simplest for most people. On the left-hand sidebar of the settings page, click Reset Settings. This section is dedicated to what's often called a factory reset for the browser. It doesn't remove your personal content, but it does roll back Chrome's behavior to the way it was when you first installed it, which is perfect for troubleshooting. Next, click Restore Settings to their original defaults. A small pop-up will appear describing what this does. Your startup page and pinned keys will be reset, and Chrome's default configuration will be restored. Importantly, your bookmarks, browsing history, and saved passwords will not be deleted. This balance is what makes the reset so effective. It removes potential causes of trouble, like unusual settings or tweaks made by extensions, while preserving what you care about. Confirm the reset and let Chrome complete the process. It only takes a moment. After that, close Chrome completely and then reopen it. That simple restart helps the changes take effect cleanly, and you should notice the browser feeling snappier and more stable right away. A few quick tips as you get back to browsing. If you rely on extensions, consider re-enabling only the ones you truly need, one at a time, and give Chrome a moment to run after each change. This makes it easier to spot if a particular add-on was causing problems. Also, keep Chrome updated so you benefit from the latest performance improvements and security fixes. And that's it. You've restored Chrome to its original defaults, kept your personal data safe, and given your browser a clean slate. If performance was lagging or pages kept crashing, this reset usually makes an immediate difference. You're all set.